Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about how to create meeting agenda templates using free Google services. The agenda is a list of what we will discuss at the meeting. It helps us remember what to talk about and stay on track. Meeting agenda templates can be very useful, especially if we have frequent meetings. They can save us time and stress, as well as help us conduct the meeting as efficiently as possible. To download the template, log into your Google account to work with Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets formats. If you don't have a Google account, sign up for free. Visit our website at goodocs.com. Choose the template that suits you. Click on the Edit Template button. Then click on the Edit Template for Free button. Next, click on the A4 Template button. Wait for 10 seconds and click the Create a Copy button. To edit the template, simply make the necessary changes to the text and formatting. You can add or remove agenda items, change the order of items, and customize the appearance of the template. Meeting agenda templates are very user-friendly. They include clear instructions on how to create an effective agenda. You can download the file in Word and PDF formats. Simply choose the appropriate format from the File, Download As menu. Additionally, note that you can use the edited template not only in electronic form, but also print it by pressing Command+P on Mac OS or Ctrl+P on Windows. Here are some tips on using meeting agenda templates. Choose a template that suits your needs. If you're unsure which one to pick, check out examples in the agenda category on our website. Prepare the agenda in advance. It helps you get ready for the meeting and ensures you won't forget any important points. Assign responsibilities. Before the meeting, ask participants to prepare for discussing specific topics. Keep minutes. During the meeting, designate someone to take notes, recording important decisions and agreements. Now, let's talk about our new membership. We offer free access to 5 templates every month. If you want to access all our templates without limitations as well as other exclusive features, you can purchase a membership on our website. We have 2 subscription plans: Savings Plan, duration 12 months. Price $20 standard plan, duration 1 month. Price $5 per month. Membership provides you with the following benefits: access to all templates, including agenda templates, ability to download templates without restrictions, access to other exclusive features such as presentation templates, document templates, and spreadsheet templates. We wish everyone success in creating effective meeting agendas. We hope that our templates will make your meetings more productive. Don't forget to leave your questions and comments under this video. We are always happy to assist you and support your creative and work endeavors.